Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Triangle, square, circle, pentagon, parallelogram, hexagon, triangle, square, circle, pentagon, parallelogram, hexagon. Let's color it. This is orange color. This is orange color. Triangle shape. This is light green color. This is light green color. This is square shape. This is red color. Red color. This is circle shape. This is sea green color. Sea green color. Pentagon shape. This is purple color. Purple color. This is parallelogram shape. This is brown color. This is brown color. Brown color. This is hexagon shape. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. Triangle, square, circle, pentagon, parallelogram, hexagon. Thank you kids for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in next video.